Welcome to the Fast Track Guide for Knowledge 53. K53 is about the barriers to effective data analysis. The goal is to bridge the gap between data and decision. The problem is that stakeholders often don't understand technical jargon, don't trust black box models, or simply have different goals. You need to show that you can communicate insights effectively, not just produce numbers. Here is your cheat sheet. Pre-analysis briefing. Agree on the specific question before you start to fix misalignment. What? So what? Now what? Structure your reports this way: facts, impact, action. This fixes confusion. Pillars of trust: be transparent, consistent, and empathetic to fix skepticism. Glossary: translate technical terms into plain English to fix the jargon barrier. Here is how to apply this tomorrow. Brief: email your stakeholder to confirm the key question before you start working. Translate: look at a chart you made. Change the title from something technical like churn regression to something useful like customers at risk. Check: ask the user if the format works for them. Screenshots of these interactions are your evidence. Use this STAR structure. Situation: the stakeholder didn't trust the sales forecast data. Task: I needed to resolve this barrier so they would use the report. Action: I explained the methodology clearly to provide transparency. I validated their concerns to show empathy. I reframed the presentation to focus on the business impact. So what? Result: trust was restored. Reflection: I learned that transparency builds trust faster than complexity. For your major project, focus on the stakeholder communication section. Show how you gathered requirements, the briefing. Show how you presented the results. Explain your choices. I used a simple traffic light system so the status was instantly understood by non-technical users. This proves you actively managed the communication barrier. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you now feel more confident in mastering this topic. If you found value in this session, I have a small favor to ask. Please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and follow our channel. It really means a lot to me and helps the algorithm show these lessons to other apprentices, just like you, who need support. Don't forget, you can download today's slides and the full transcript at www.mentorinai.com EPA Hub. While you are there, check out our mock interview and portfolio review services to make sure you are fully ready for your EPA. See you in the next video. Keep learning.